for joining me today, and let me show you what I do and where I work. So welcome to Optimal Chiro-rehab Center. So these are our waiting room, which we don't use much anymore due to COVID. And as you can see over here, we do carry Tempur-Pedic mattress and pillow, which is extremely important for posture while you're sleeping. And over here, we do carry nutritional supplements with biotic research. And as we go in, this is our first exam room. And straight down the hall, and you can see our second examinations or cosmetic room. And as you can see, the signs right there said ultraviolet light is in use. Yeah, due to COVID, we have to use extra precautions. We have to spend extra 30 minutes after each patient to sanitize the room with ultraviolet light. And here's our physical rehab arena. This is where many of our patients do restore their functions. And yes, some of our patients call this the torture chamber. And come over here at our chiropractic adjusting table. And as you can see, we have two different types of table. This one over here is for flexion distractions. And as we come over here, you can see this is our shower. Several of our patients can complain that after they do physical therapy, if they get sweaty, they can't go to work. So I eliminate the excuse by building a shower. And as we come over here, let me show you one of our treatment room. And in here is where we perform cupping and acupuncture. What makes us special is our combination of chiropractic, acupuncture, and physical rehab. And here's why. Chiropractic deal with joints. Acupuncture deal with energy. Physical rehab deal with muscle. Energy drive the muscle move the joint. The other unique service that we provide to all our patients is posture analysis. Every patient come in, including on the initial examination, is analyze the posture. We put patient in front of the chart like so, and we take pictures with different view, and then we'll show the patient what is right, what's wrong, and which is imbalance. And then after the treatment, we'll take the same set of pictures, and then we'll show them the differences. Now, let me introduce you to our cosmetic center, where we perform body shaping, fat burning, skin tightening, wrinkle reductions. And let me introduce you to one of our finest laser technician, Jenny. And as you come in, you can see she actually performed a procedure for one of our clients. And yes, if you wonder, I did get permission to record this video. And in this room, you can see we have two different machines. One is focused more on the fat burning and cellulite reductions. That's the one that Jenny's holding right now. The other one is the facial. And here you can see the pictures of the treatment before and after of my treatment, and before and after of the facial treatment. Now, welcome to our facial department, the other half of our cosmetic. And let me introduce you to Nguyen. She had a master in esthetician, and skincare and facial are her passions. And in here, we provide several types of facial, such as chemical peel, vampire facial, red carpet facial. Many of them are being performed by some chemicals to help rejuvenate the skin. Others just help cleanse the skin and treat acne and different types of surfaces. So last but not least, welcome to my office. This is where everything begins. This is where our consultation start. Our consultation are complimentary. And here, and you walk in, you can see I have the adjustable desk, which I love. I use this for sitting for 30 minutes, and I would alternate standing and sitting every 30 minutes. But we need to set a timer because sometimes you do forget when you get so busy. With one hit of a button, I can move the table up and down. And as we look over here, you can see my lumbar support on my chair. It's not how expensive, how good the chair is, how you use it. So the lumbar support is detachable. So every time I get up, it fall up, and I get sit back down. I have to readjust it. It reminds me of what it is there and why I use it. So if everybody sitting in the office, highly recommend using the lumbar cushion. All right, that's it. Thank you everybody for attending.